Okay class, today we are going to talk about making food choices for a healthy lifestyle. This poster shows a picture of a plate. My plate, mi plato. It's a guide that shows people how to eat in a healthy way. Mi plato shows that healthy foods are categorized into 5 different groups. 5 different groups. Each food group is represented by a different color. We have the grains group, which is the orange group. Grains, granos. Grains, granos. Next, we have the green group, which is the vegetable group. Vegetables, vegetales. Vegetables, vegetales. The vegetable group. Next, we have the fruit group, which is represented in red. Fruit, fruta. Fruit, fruta. The blue group is the dairy group. Productos lácteos, the dairy group. And finally, we have the protein group, which is represented in purple. Protein, proteína. Protein, proteína. We should eat foods from all of the 5 food groups every day. The sections of the plate are different sizes. The bigger the section, the more food from that section we should eat each day. For example, the green group, the vegetable group, is bigger than the protein group, the purple group. So that means we should eat more vegetables in a day than protein. It's important to vary your vegetables. You can eat them raw or cooked, canned, or frozen. So who in here had vegetables with their dinner last night?